Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to transfer Chase points to Virgin Atlantic. First, go to the Chase Ultimate Rewards website and sign in. Click the Travel tab, then select Transfer Points to Partners. Find Virgin Atlantic Flying Club in the list and click it. Link your Flying Club account by entering your member number. Enter the number of points you want to transfer. Remember, transfers must be in 1,000 point increments. Review and confirm your transfer. And that's it. The transfer is final and may take up to 7 business days to show up in your Flying Club account. And that's how to transfer Chase points to Virgin Atlantic. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.